lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a glamorous makeup look with chunky glitters. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment in the comment section so that I'll know what you think about this video and what you're expecting next. So keep watching. So to start, I'm using my facial wipes to clean up my face. Then I'm applying my oil control to my face before anything else. So I'm using my brush to brush off my eyebrows before drawing my brows. As you can see, I'm following my natural brows. I'll be doing the same with my other eye. So now I'm using my concealer to clean up my brows. I'll be using my skin tone foundation in front of my brows, the way I usually do it. So that's my skin tone foundation in front of my brows. And for the upper part of my brows, I mixed a little quantity of my foundation to concealer to make the line a bit light but not very bright. So I'm blending the remnants of my concealer into my skin, to my eyelids. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing for the upper part of my brows. I'm blending it into my skin. As you can see, the way I mixed it, it's not so far different from my skin tone. So now I am starting to apply my eyeshadow with my dark brown shade into my crease. Doing the same with my other eye. Then now I'm blending it. I'm mixing a reddish color into it, not to make it very brownish and not too reddish. So now I'm using a lighter shade of my eyeshadow to put above my crease to make it brighter and more pronounced. So I'm using my eye primer to cut my crease where I'll be applying my chunky glitters. Doing the same thing with my other eye. So I'm applying a little quantity of my eyeshadow to the crease where I just cut to make it a bit dried before I apply my glitters glue. So now I'm applying my glitters glue to my crease. We're doing the same with my other eye. So I'm using my brush to pack the glitters into my eyelid. Now I'm applying my foundation to my face. I already applied my oil control. Yes, I'm tapping it into my skin, into my neck also. I'm using my concealer to apply to my eye circles. I'm not sure how I blend it, but now I'm applying my eyeliner. I already applied my setting powder. So now I'm dusting off my face with my powder, which is my shade as well. So now I'm contouring my nose with a darker shade of my powder. And I'm contouring my face as well with a darker shade of powder. Now to my lips, just sculpting them round. So now I'm applying my setting spray, spraying my face. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. I guess the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment in the comment section so I know what you think about this video. See you next time. Bye.